Doro is a very user-centric company. We have worked a lot in the design of the form factor, of the mechanics, and also in the user interface, making the menus and the quality of the sound very special. So at the end of the day, also applying our quality standards to our products, we are making them very different from what other brands can offer. If we compare ourselves to other players which are dedicating themselves to the same target group, here our lengthy studies about users which have really creating a scientific approach on the design of our products, together with the quality of our products, makes a difference compared to other companies that would just make big button phones. As a company, being a first mover in this segment and having got many deals with international players like Orange, Telia TDC, and also Vodafone, we have clearly set a situation of leadership which is very important in this niche segment. In addition to that, the brand is also a strong asset in order to position the product, and the Doro brand is more and more known and associated to easy-to-use mobile phone in the different countries in Europe. Yes, this deal is very interesting. As a matter of fact, Tesco, it's a large retailer on one side. They have more than 1,000 stores in the UK, but they are also an MVNO with prepaid offer, which is very attractive. We were present previously in UK thanks to Orange. Adding to Orange, this new partnership will clearly create a tipping point for our offer in the UK and should help us to develop significantly in this country. So our split of sales is in a large proportion in favor of Europe. So any growth in Europe means a big growth for the company. But at the same time, we expect a nice contribution for North America, US and Canada, and also UK, as we have this new deal in addition to Orange, and which was a country which was starting to develop quite well. Yeah, because of the percentage of elderly, which is much higher in Europe, 16.7% in average, compared to other percentage like around 10 in North America or even lower in other regions, Europe remains our most interesting market. Last February in Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress, we have announced a new range of products, the Phonesi 610, 615, 680 and 682. Those four products are based on a similar design, which looks like the one you can see here, the 615, where we have introduced a camera feature, very simple with a dedicated key and using 3G technology. Why do we use 3G technology? 3G technology is very important for some network operators in order for them to decide where the load and the traffic is used on which network. And also they start to switch off 2G networks, like in Sweden, for example, you start to have regions where 2G is not available anymore. In addition, thanks to 3G technology, we can also reach new markets like Australia, in some operators in Canada, and some even other operators in Europe which are only using 3G network technology. On the longer term, we are conscious that people who will reach 65 in, let's say, 5 years or 10 years from now will have a different experience regarding mobile telephony. And they will have used intensively a smartphone for a majority of them. In such case, that means that we will have to evolve in terms of product. And we have started to work on Android platform to get ready to combine more and more applications together with our adapted devices and hardware. This is a normal trend on the mobile industry where we combine applications and hardware, and this is a path that Doro is currently starting to go for. And we have also announced in this Mobile World Congress our first applications in the health sector with medicine reminder and with another product which is linked to glucose meter and blood glucose measure sent directly to servers.